So I figured I'd make a video just in case anybody has any confusion about how the calculator works for this type of a problem using the trapezoidal rule. So I copied this graph from the the extra credit review. So this is the extra credit review. I just copied that to do in my homework because I figured that was easier. Then our n is going to be 4, so I figured out I'm going to have an interval every quarter, so I filled those in over here, and then I filled in the coefficients from the trapezoid rule. I think these are the correct ones from the trapezoid rule. I'll have to double check. Shoot, no, I think I did Simpson's rule. Yeah, trapezoid rule should just be 1s and 2s. So I will fix this. This is going to be a 2. This is going to be a 2. Cross that off. Okay. So now switching to the calculator. So this is what we're going to put into our calculator in our y sub 1. So going to y sub 1, I've already put that function in. I'm just going to graph it. You can see it there. Quit this mode, and then now here's that that bit of calculator magic. So we're going to put in vars, and then you go over to y vars and then hit 1 for function, and we want y1. We want that information. So now open up a parenthesis, and then the first value that we want is when x is 0. So put that in to your calculator, put in your 0, close your parenthesis, hit enter, and we just have 1. So I'm going to put that in here. Oops. I have 1 times 1 is 1. That's pretty easy. So now we can do this, hit second and then hit the enter key, and that's going to bring back what you just did. Now here I'm going to have to change it a little bit because I'm going to have to do 0.25 because that's the next value that I'm looking for. Close my parenthesis, enter. Okay, so now I have to copy that. Great. So that was 0.9980475,107. Now I got to multiply that by 2. So times 2. Again, the reason I'm multiplying it by 2 is because the coefficient is going to be 2. So multiplying that by 2 gives me 1.996095021. Okay. Now, instead of going back into vars, I can hit second entry and hit second entry again. Oh, no, shoot. Second, enter, second, enter. So now I've got that y sub 0 back, which is perfect. So this time I want to do 0.5 for my half. That's the next value that I need. And hopefully this gives you an idea of how this works. That second entry trick, I didn't know that you could like do that more than once to bring something back. So that's really cool. I think that that's going to save a lot of time and prevent some calculator mistakes on my end. So hopefully that tutorial helps. Again, just to show you again, I'm going to clear this out. So you're going to hit vars. You're going to go over to y vars, 1 for function, select y sub 1 if that's what you put it in, and then you would put in, you know, whatever value you were trying to find. Just put in the next one I'm looking for. And yeah, so that's kind of cool. So hopefully that helps. Good luck.